Introduction. Zero to Hero launched in January 2026. Digital education, environmental, e-business. Fast technological advancement is reshaping education delivery. Traditional classroom models are increasingly inflexible. Learners demand adaptable, accessible, and industry-focused on education. Platform background. Current digital courses include PT Academic Preparation, Academic English, General English. Online delivery allows flexible learning schedules. The platform collaborates with mentors across multiple fields, which are educational, English education and study pathway guidance, real estate consulting, tax and financial advisors, industry and key market. Zero to Hero works in growing education technology market by connecting Mongolian students with students abroad uh, through the through a digital platform that supports flexible, internationally focused learning program.
This slide outlines our key competitors and Zero to Hero's positioning. School and NAS Iowa greater led community-based edtech platforms. School has a strong user interface and high engagements, but it lacks localization in language, culture, and payment systems, which limits its relevance for Mongolian learners. NAS enables scalable community monetization, but it offers weekly instructor learning and limited career progression, making it less suitable for skill-based education. Zero to Hero differentiates it by connecting Mongolian learners with globally experienced Mongolian professionals. Learners benefit from local language instruction, cultural relevance, practical skills, and trusted mentors, while mentors gain access to an all in one platform for content hosting, payments, community management, and future AI tools.
Hello everyone, and Zero to Hero is the innovative EdTech platform that connects the learners and the educators in Mongolia. On the learner side, we support students who want to study abroad and the young professionals who aim to build globally competitive skills. They are looking for the high quality and flexible and online education at an affordable price. On the educator side, we work with the Mongolian professionals who have studied overseas and invite them to create and deliver online courses on our platform. Zero to Hero is the based the learning and the community platform that combines content creation, user management, and the performance tracking as in one system. It supports with the lessons, live sessions, and the downloadable materials and through the secure cloud technology. While we currently sell individual the courses, we are the moving toward and bundle the programs and the subscription model to deliver more value to learners and create a sustainable revenue. Our goal to Mongolians EdTech ecosystem to the global and stage through trust and quality and innovation.
Our demand side strategy focuses on an effortless user experience to boost subscription retention. Learners follow structured paths for skills, careers, and study abroad goals. Tracking progress through certificates and milestones. Personalized recommendation use learner data and community engagement is encouraged via discussions, collaboration, and live mentor sessions. On the learner side, digital marketing leverages content, short videos, social media, testimonials, referrals, and community growth. For Mentor, we target Mongolian professionals abroad through LinkedIn, Facebook, and networks, highlighting earnings, trust, and growth supported by AI tools. In conclusion, Zero to Hero follows four-stage growth roadmap: platform readiness, expert supply, bundled subscription, and digital marketing to strengthen network effects, creating a sustainable digital education ecosystem in Mongolia. Thank you for watching.